everybody, this is Michelle and I'm saying hello and welcome to today's Wakey Shakey screencast. This week we're going to be looking at 4 little items of language which are often commonly misused or confused. So I'm going to call them language chunks or language bites for right now, and they're often used badly or wrongly or inappropriately. So today we're looking at so, such a, to and not enough. So let's start with so. So we use with an adjective or an adverb, and what so does in this situation is emphasize the adjective or the adverb that comes afterwards. So this is just going to be a little refresher for you, so I want you to sit with a partner and just finish the sentences. It's so embarrassing when, it's so funny when, people think they're so cool when. So ask your teacher to stop the video and just have a little chat with your partner. Okay, we're going to move on now to think about such. Now such is a little bit different because we use it with an adjective and a noun together. So you can see here, I don't see why it's such a big deal. You have an adjective here and a noun here. So again, just work with your partner and finish the sentences. Okay, so let's move on to think about the next one. To. Before we move on, just think about the difference between this sentence. He is very loud and he is too loud. Which one is objective and which one's a criticism? Okay, so there's a difference between very and too, which is often commonly confused. Okay, too means more than is acceptable or more than is okay. Okay, so obviously he is too loud means he's too loud for the situation. He's louder than would be appropriate. Okay, whereas very loud is an observation. It could be a criticism, but it's more of an observation. While we're here, I know that a lot of teachers would be very grateful if we could get everybody at CGB using these 3 words correctly. So what is the difference between to, T-W-O, to, T-O, and T-O-O, which we've just discussed? I'll give you a quick clue. To, we've already talked about, and we use it to indicate when something is more than appropriate. One of them is a preposition, one of them is a number. Which one is which? Okay, alright, moving on. The opposite of to is not enough. It means less than okay, less than sufficient, or less than ideal. So, have a look at the sentences below. I am not brave enough to, I'm not old enough to. And again, work with your partner and just put those expressions into practice. Okay, so today's screencast was short and sweet with the idea of just really clarifying how those 4 little chunks of language are used. So this week, have a think about how you use them. Do you use so and such correctly? Do you use to and not enough correctly? Okay, so I'm sending you a big cheeky grin and saying ciao for now.